Hi, ship class. I'm Miss Arfin. It's great to see you again. Today, you're going to learn phonics. So, I want you to prepare this book. Please prepare book A or Sounds Great 1 and also a pack of crayon. Please put the book and the crayon nicely on the table. Now, I want you to cross your hands. Who is very good can sit down nicely. Listen carefully and pay attention. Okay, before doing our homework, I want to ask you to watch a video and then if you can answer the question, you can answer and say it loudly. Okay, so here it is.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Listen to the word. Click on the beginning letters.
Ring, pen, robot, pants, potato, quiet, queen, quilt,
Great! Run, run, run. Run to the robot. Run to the queen. Run to the pizza. Run, run, run. Run to the robot. Run to the queen. Run to the pizza.
P, Q. Quiet Queen said, Quiet Queen said, Quiet Queen said, shh.
I want purple pizza.
R, red robot, red robot. You can run like a red robot. Red robot, run!
Okay, ship class, so today's homework is in this book. So please prepare book A. Alright, we will see. Yay! Here is today's homework. Last time we did the listening part, and then now what I want you to do is that you need to continue. Miss Afin will help you, and then later you're gonna write the correct letter. Today's homework is in page 56 and 59. 56 and 59. Okay, well, 56, sorry, 56, 56 and 59. Okay, well, now please listen to me and then write the letter that begins the word. Number 1. Okay, so here is the homework. Now, in number 1, hey, what is that? Ring, good job. Ring, ring. Okay, please write ring. R. Big R and small r. Okay, well done. Number 2. What is that? Good job. It's a pen. Now please write P, pen. Well done. P, big P and small p. Okay. Now number 3. What is that? Quilt. Well done. Please write Q, quilt. Big Q and small q. And number 4. Run. Okay. Run. Please write. Okay. Good. You need to write run. Okay, now in the page 59, what you need to do is you need to trace and write the letters. Okay, what is that? Good. P, pants. Good job. Pizza. Good. Potato. Pen. Excellent. Now please write P. Okay, good job. Like this. And then next is, what is that? Q. Excellent. Q. Question. Good. Queen. Well done. Quill. Good job. Shh. Quiet. Now please write Q. Big Q and small q. Okay, now let's move on to the last one. What is that? Good. Robot. Red. Well done. Run. Excellent. Good job. Ring. Now please write big R, and small r. Okay. Alright, so today's homework will be 2 pages, page 56 and 59. This will be the end of my lesson. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.